Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna make this intro as quick as possible. Ew, what? So today I'm going to show you guys how I started my YouTube channel using just my iPhone, which is right here. And I mean, y'all don't roast me or nothing, but I have the iPhone 6 Plus, and that's what I had when I started. Did I? Or did I have the 5? I think I did have the 6 Plus. That's when I, started. That's like, I recorded my video with the most amount of views with this phone. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Yeah, I don't have the 7 or the 8. So if you have the 6 Plus or the 6 or the 7 or the 8, let me just show you. I can't really say the same features on the phone because I don't really have the 7, so I don't know. But I can just show you how I use my 6 to make my videos. So let's get started. So y'all, when I first started, I'm using this selfie stick to hold my camera up. But when I first started, all I had was this shelf right there. And you see that the shelf is not the same height as me. So I had to go find some books or something just to like make it level up to where I was. And then I just put my camera like right there on it. And I just recorded, y'all. It was tragic. I was just like, I gotta do better. But it worked for the meantime. So then after I decided to like just do my research, I figured out that I needed a tripod. So I went to Amazon, and this is around the time when Amazon became my best friend. I went to Amazon, got me a tripod. It's not this tripod right here. This is like the I don't know, this is the Cowboy Studio tripod. I got it when I got my ring light. It was just a regular little tripod. I'm gonna go get it. Y'all, it was a tripod like this. Like, this is not the most sturdiest, and it came with a mount, but I took it off. So you see like the styrofoam, it's because I use this to put my wig head on when I make my wigs. So yeah, when I got this one, I was just like, yeah, just gonna have to put that one to use somewhere else, and that's what I did. So sorry y'all, just ran up the stairs. So that's the tripod I had that I got. And then you have to buy a mount. I don't know, I forgot if it came with a mount, but I don't even know what the mount is. But a mount is basically like this. It's not like this. It's not this one exactly, but it's what you use to put this on there. And y'all know what this is. I don't know the technical names for these things, but this is, you need this. Like, this will save your life. So I'm not gonna use that one that I originally had, but I'm gonna put this on the mount. And y'all know how y'all align it up. Just put it on there. It's that easy. Sometimes it be crooked, so you have to just like go with where it goes. Cause I like it to be tight, if y'all know what I'm saying. Alright, so the next thing that you do, where can I put this? The next thing that you do is take your phone. And I have this case on, and if you have a case on, take it off. Like, I used to be scared to take my case off because I'm like, oh my gosh, like, what if my phone breaks? But now I'm on carpet and it's cool. It's already cracked. Can y'all see it? So yeah, so you take your phone like this, and oh, I should talk about location, y'all. This video is all over the place. But what I did was, because okay, imagine this isn't here. Imagine this ring light is not here, because I didn't have a ring light when I first started. So just imagine it's this, just the tripod and this. So I'm not even gonna turn the ring light on. So you just pull it up and put it on there, and boom, you got your little setup right here. Like right here, you getting this direct sunlight, which has its benefits because I don't have any light on and I'm popping. But it also has its disadvantages because you cannot record at night, and I did not like that because I don't know. So yeah, so let's go into the phone. All right, so we're gonna slide my phone up. This is a 6 Plus, remember, and y'all can see me. So look at, what is it? It's that styrofoam. This stuff gets everywhere. All right, so y'all can see me recording. All right, so we're gonna go to video. And when I did my research on this, they said it's better to use the back camera, but I was just like, I can't see myself. So I'm not about to use a back camera. All right, so this right here is not even bad. Like, you can record a video like this, but the thing is that, let's see, let's say that I wanted to show you, oh my gosh, I wanted to show you guys something like this. Like, I want to let it focus in, so when I focus back out, it's gonna be focused on other stuff. So to fix that, you see the yellow little block thingy, hold your face until it's auto exposure, I think, lock, and you can go. I'm trying to let y'all see. Can y'all see? You see how the color goes? I don't know if y'all can see that, but I usually would have my videos like really high, and then when I go edit, I'd be like, oh my gosh, I can't do that. So try to keep it like in the middle, like that. And it's locked, so that's the focus that it's going to stay. I mean, not the focus, but the exposure that is going to stay. And you can just do your little stuff like that, and that's basically it, y'all. So I'm gonna just record a little bit. Guys, I'm gonna switch from this camera to my phone camera, and I just want y'all to see. Like, of course it's not gonna be this camera quality, but it's better than just deciding not to do YouTube because you don't got an expensive camera. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to switch. Hey guys. So I'm just gonna do my intro. All right. Hey guys. So the thing about this is that the camera's at the top. Like, the camera's at the top. So what I did was I just look at myself. Like, because you don't want to be looking at the camera, like, because that's weird, because your eyes are going to be that way. So I just look at myself. I'm in the middle. I'm just going to look at myself. The quality is not bad at all. I feel like the exposure is kind of bright back there, because it's like, so you can fix that. It's an easy fix. Just slide your finger down, and boom, we got the pillows back, because we were on clouds. But yeah, just record your video and you're done. I'm gonna switch back because yeah, I feel like it's easier than it's easier to get your video from your phone to your computer than from your camera to your computer, because all you have to do on the iPhone is airdrop it. I mean, if you have a Mac, all you have to do is airdrop it. Like, y'all, that's another video, because I didn't have a Mac at first. I had a Windows computer, and like, I got like, okay, no, I'm not gonna say that, because I had a Windows before I started making YouTube videos. Then I got a Mac and I started recording on my phone. So I used Mac with my phone. Before that, I'm not even gonna go into that. But yeah, so it's actually easier to airdrop your videos from your phone that you recorded to your computer than to hook it up and try to figure it all out or whatever. So that's a plus with that, and the quality is not bad, y'all. Like this is a 6+. So imagine if you one of them lucky people who got the 7 or the 8. Oh my gosh, like, what are you getting a camera for? Like, don't get a camera, just use your phone. All right, y'all, so if y'all can see this, hope y'all can see. So this is me. The autofocus kind of went off, so I'm gonna click it back, make it go back. All right, so I like the contrast of my body and everything right here. And so I'm about to switch over and turn on my ring light. Actually, I'm gonna turn on my ring light, then I'm gonna switch over. Ooh, do y'all see that? Like, I am orange. Like, no, we don't want to be orange. Tap it, hold it, go down like that. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna switch over. All right, so my ring light is on, and let's turn it off. So I guess if you don't have a ring light, you can record like this with the sunlight, because I look pretty okay. Like, ain't nothing wrong with this lighting. Whew. But it's not very, like, it doesn't have, like, I don't know what I'm saying. But okay, let's turn the ring light on. bright, like really bright. So then we're gonna touch it. I think I recorded it like this. So it's not crucial to have the ring light. When you have a camera, I feel like it just makes it so much better when you have the ring light. But when you have your phone, that's too dark. You don't need the ring light. In the daytime. At night, I guess it would be like this. Let me close the blinds. This would be at night, and it's kind of groggy and foggy looking, but it's not the worst. But I wouldn't do this. So let's turn the ring light on. Hold the screen to auto exposure. And let's do like this. Because if I go all the way up, I'm gonna be too bright. You're gonna see all this. No. And then if I go too low, you ain't gonna be able to see me. So, gotta keep it kinda in the middle-ish. So guys, I really hope that I helped you guys. This tripod was, I guess, I would say about $13. And I just, ooh, all this styrofoam. I just had to get me one. And the tripod and this thing right here, I don't know what it's called, like a phone adapter connector thingy majigga. If you have a selfie stick, it comes on the selfie stick. Let me just say that. So if you have a selfie stick, it comes on the selfie stick. I forgot, my tripod came with something. It came with like a mount to connect that to. So just get a tripod. Make sure it's not like this. Like it has to have something to connect that little thing to. So yeah, get that and you're set. You know about the iPhone settings where you can auto exposure. You know about the ring lights. I'll put the kind of ring light that I have in the description box. You know about the windows being open. And look at this setup. Like, find you a spot that has a plug next to a window. Actually, no, I only do that when I use my ring light. Mind you, you can record anywhere with a tripod. Just get in front of a window. That's essential. Get in front of a window. Use the sunlight to your advantage. Like, but that is all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Subscribe, and thank you for watching. Y'all, you know what? I'm not gonna use no ring light no more. Look at this light. Let me see. Like, oh y'all, I ain't using a ring light no more. Ring light for sale. No, I'm just playing. I'll see you guys later.